वेलकम बैक जी। हाँ, आज हम कुछ लफ्ज देखेंगे जिनमें जी की साउंड साइलेंट रहती है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, असाइन, थैंक यू, anybody wants to have some tea? Okay, coming back to the topic, thank you, you can go. Assigned, first of all, किसी को काम देना, assign, and then there is this word benign or champagne, जो उड़ाई जाती है. I just feel like having some. Can I have a little bit of champagne? Consign, the next word is consign. Consignment, it's a business term. Or design, I just loved the design of your curtain. Design. And feign, behosh hona, feign. She feigned and then fell. Foreign, foreign, I have a plan to go some foreign countries the next year. Gnarl, gnarl. Nash, net, no, high, high, and also light or rain, hakumat, rain or resign, also in sign, although it's a signature when it's noun. Okay, sign. That's it for today. See you next time.